Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best PC cases that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. NZXT H7 Flow. Meet the NZXT H7 Flow 2024, a premium mid-tower ATX case built for maximum airflow, clean builds, and high-performance gaming setups. Priced at around $69.99, it offers excellent value for an airflow-focused case with pre-installed fans and strong cooling support, rare in this price range. This case comes with a highly airflow-optimized front panel design and 3 pre-installed 120mm fans, so you're ready to build right away. It supports ATX, MicroATX, and MiniATX motherboards, making it very flexible for different builds. One standout feature is bottom fan support, which allows direct GPU cooling, great for powerful graphics cards. Cable management is clean and spacious, helping you achieve a neat, professional-looking build. It also has a bottom-mounted PSU design, improving thermal airflow separation and system stability. Overall, it's designed for builders who prioritize cooling performance and simplicity. Pros: excellent airflow, includes 3 fans, strong GPU cooling support, clean cable management, solid build quality. Cons: minimal RGB features, design is more functional than flashy, and airflow-focused panels may allow more dust without filters depending on setup. Number 4. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. Meet the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack, a modular mid-tower ATX case designed for flexible builds, modern airflow, and easy customization. At around $63.99, this case delivers strong value for a fully modular design with premium layout flexibility and support for large motherboards and radiators. The standout feature is its Flatpack, fully modular design, letting you assemble and configure the case layout in multiple ways depending on your build style. It supports eATX motherboards, which is impressive at this price point, giving you room for high-end workstation or gaming setups. You also get dual 280mm radiator support, making it suitable for advanced liquid cooling systems. A vertical GPU mount option helps showcase your graphics card and improve airflow orientation. It includes a pre-installed 120mm rear fan, and the internal layout is optimized for flexible airflow paths. The tempered glass panel gives it a clean, modern look while still keeping a functional, performance-first design. Pros: fully modular build system, supports eATX, excellent customization, vertical GPU support, strong cooling flexibility, good value price. Cons: assembly is more complex than standard cases, only one pre-installed fan, and modular design may not appeal to beginners who want a simple plug-and-play build. Number 3. InWin A3-mATX. Meet the InWin Development Incorporated A3 Black, a compact, stylish gaming chassis built for clean MiniATX setups with ARGB lighting and modern airflow design. Priced at around $131.99, this case sits in the premium compact segment, offering design-focused aesthetics and RGB features more than budget-oriented value. The A3 Black features a minimalist tempered glass design that highlights your internal build and RGB lighting. It comes with a built-in ARGB 120mm fan, giving you lighting effects right out of the box without extra purchases. It supports MiniATX motherboards, making it ideal for compact, high-performance gaming or workstation builds. Despite its small footprint, it supports both air and liquid cooling, allowing flexibility for custom cooling setups. The rear-mounted PSU design helps keep the interior clean and improves airflow efficiency. Overall, it focuses on a premium compact aesthetic with modern cooling support. Pros: premium compact design, built-in ARGB fan, tempered glass showcase, supports air and liquid cooling, clean internal layout. Cons: expensive for its size, limited motherboard compatibility, MiniATX only, and less upgrade space compared to larger mid-towers. Number 2. Thermaltake View 270 plus TG ARGB Snow. Meet the Thermaltake View 270 plus TG ARGB Snow, a stylish white mid-tower case built for airflow, RGB aesthetics, and high-end gaming builds. At around $69.99, it delivers excellent value for an eATX-supported case with 3 pre-installed ARGB fans and premium dual-glass design at a budget-friendly price. This case features a striking front and side dual tempered glass panel, giving a full showcase view of your gaming setup. It includes 3 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans, providing strong airflow and vibrant lighting right out of the box. It supports eATX motherboards, making it suitable for high-performance gaming or workstation builds. Cooling flexibility is strong, with support for up to 360mm radiators, ideal for liquid cooling systems. The bottom-mounted PSU design helps improve thermal separation and cable management. Its snow-white finish makes it especially popular for clean, aesthetic white build setups. Pros: great value price, 3 ARGB fans included, premium dual glass design, strong airflow support, eATX compatibility. Cons: glass-heavy design can be more fragile, airflow depends heavily on fan setup, and cable management space is average compared to higher-end cases. Number 1. Lian Li A3-mATX. Meet the Lian Li A3-mATX, a compact 26.3L modular chassis built for high-end small form factor gaming and clean custom builds. Priced at around $89.99, it sits in the premium compact case category, offering strong flexibility and build quality but requiring users to bring their own cooling fans. This case is designed around a highly modular layout, allowing flexible component and PSU positioning depending on your build style. It supports MicroATX and MiniATX motherboards, making it ideal for compact but powerful gaming setups. A major highlight is support for a 360mm AIO liquid cooler, which is impressive for such a small 26.3L chassis. The Frontways PSU installation design improves internal space efficiency and cable routing options. It ships with no pre-installed fans, giving builders full control over airflow configuration and customization. The overall design focuses on minimalist aesthetics combined with serious cooling potential in a small footprint. Pros: excellent modular design, strong cooling support, 360mm AIO, compact 26.3L size, high build quality, flexible PSU layout. Cons: no included fans, tighter building space, and requires careful planning for optimal airflow and cable management. If you're planning a compact high-performance build, this case is a strong choice. Check the link in the description for current deals, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more PC hardware reviews.